Hi, my name is Kailea. I'm the Chief Exec at Solent Youth Action, and thanks to the Hampshire Isle of Wight Community Foundation, we were able to purchase 25 of these happiness toolkits through their National Emergencies Fund to give to our vulnerable families. So the reason why we really wanted to get this toolkit is because it is written by young people for young people, and as well as young people being able to run through the activities themselves, because all the activities are really youth friendly, it's also great for parents to run through with their children. And so with our families with children with special educational needs, it's absolutely ideal. It's really colourful, and with each subject there is a postcard which talks about what that emotion is, what are the symptoms, what are the causes, and what things are out there to help you get through it. So